1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
All right. Right. That's all right. The agenda of an extraordinary session convened by the administration. 1, 2, 3, testing the mic.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the name of God Almighty, I declare the second ordinary session of the Defense Commission open. You are all aware that our rules of procedure request that all our meetings should be held in private, with the exception of the formal meeting. What we're going to do this afternoon then is to call upon the delegate of the host country, who will welcome us in the name of His Imperial Majesty, and then we shall close our meeting and continue. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to ask His Excellency Major General Iyasu to formally open this meeting. General Iyasu.
Monsieur le Président, Excellences, Messieurs les délégués, permettez-moi, au nom de Sa Majesté impériale, ainsi qu'en mon nom propre et en celui de tous les Éthiopiens, de vous souhaiter la bienvenue à Addis Ababa. J'espère sincèrement que votre séjour ici sera fructueux non seulement en ce qui concerne les décisions que nous prendrons et les mesures que nous adopterons, mais aussi
of our presence here so clearly. I'm sure that the next few days we shall really work hard to provide a system which will enable us to put up a defense arrangement in consonance with our charter and in consonance with what the heads of states and the Council of Ministers have decided. I now take this opportunity to thank Your Excellencies, members of the press, members of the public, who have been kind and generous enough to come here to witness our opening ceremony. We are sure that even though you will stay outside because the rules say that all our meetings should be in private, you'll continue to wish us success, and we hope that from time to time we shall let you in on what is going on here. I thank you once again for coming to witness this formal ceremony, and may I declare the formal ceremony now closed. Yeah, let him go. Let him go.
Yes, they must go.
Let them go first.
I should move out too. I don't have the right to stay here.
Yeah.